Hi everyone, I'm back. I'm doing another video on gardening, and this is the potato that I planted in a 10-inch pot that I did a video on. It's starting to die back and look kind of grungy, and I figured I'd go ahead and harvest it because I can use this pot for something else, or I can at least use the dirt for something else. I want to plant some fall carrots. So I figured I'd harvest it, and I figured I'd show you what I got from this 10-inch pot of potatoes, besides a maple tree. So let me go ahead and cut this off. And nothing much to this, just cutting this off to make it a little easier on myself. There we go. Of course. Okay. I'm going to set that up there so it doesn't keep falling in here. And all you pretty much do to harvest these is turn them over. This is my only pot of potatoes. I meant to do more, but yeah, I ran out of time. So, let's see if we have any potatoes in this. Hey, I see potatoes. See? That's always a good sign there. Alright, that's not too big, but they're usually not going to be that big in these things. Toss them back in here. Yep, there's another one. These are just red chieftain potatoes, I think. That's a pretty good size one. And since we're having biscuits and gravy tonight, I might fry these up as fried potatoes. I just did this because I wanted to see how many I'd get from a 10-inch pot. I've done this before actually, but I didn't film it. Dang, there's quite a few in here. I know I should have, but I didn't. Oh, sorry. I get dirt everywhere when I work. All these gardening shows, they show you being nice, clean, neat, and tidy. Well, that's not me. I'm more the messy, covered in dirt from head to toe gardener. So that's what you get with me. And these little ones, if you let them go into like compost or anything, they will sprout and grow. Trust me, I have potatoes that I haven't planted in places for years. Yeah, they still keep coming up because we missed something about this size. So. Shake some dirt off. There's quite a few potatoes in this. I may have to get a scale. Nope, that's not the seed potato. Fortunately, the seed potato is all disintegrated, so we don't have to worry about that. Oop, another potato. Bunch of little tiny ones. That will eat them. Yeah, that doesn't have any more in it. And I gotta admit, I did fertilize this like 4 or 5 times while I was growing them. Just give it some nutrition, and we've had crazy rain this year. Which my mom, who's like this old hillbilly, told me that her dad always said potatoes loved rain. Rainy weather. So, seems like so far she is right. I'm not going to worry about those. But yeah, that's my harvest. I'd say that's pretty good. Yeah, thanks for watching. That's about how many you can get from a 10-inch pot if you keep it well watered and fertilized. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, so I wanted to do real quick to weigh this potatoes. If you hear noise, it's my kids. So, yeah, my scale doesn't work very well. So, let's see here. See how many pounds we got from this. Try not to tip it over. Toss these little ones on there. All right, let's see what we got. I'd say almost 2 pounds is pretty good. Probably about 1 3/4 pounds. Yeah. Well, thanks for watching, and if you like this, like and subscribe.